Adios. Sayonara. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lumber Capital Log Yard. It's a nice sunny Monday morning. I'm going to be running the mill with Sammy today and you can tag along. Before we begin, remember to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at lumbercapital07. Judah is going to be processing a cord on the Timberwolf today. Look, we put up an open flag. Looks snazzy. Wow, that looks so good. It looks way better than what was there before. We're doing that reverse board and batten, which looks super cool. So we have a couple 8-footers on the deck here, which we'll be cutting cants out of. Anything by 8 or by 6 that then will go on the lap cider to make shingles and lap siding. We have quite a few 1x10 by 12s so far for that order, but nowhere near the amount that we need. A huge shout out to our log yard neighbor who makes these beautiful benches and gifted this one to us. You can see we have these boards are twidge wavy on the edges here. The log was really frozen, and that's just kind of what you get. We are running a 4-degree blade, which is the best for frozen logs, so nothing we can do about it at this point. Let's go see how Judah's doing on the firewood splitter. We have basswood on the deck today because we have a delivery for the hatchet house here on Thursday. We mark all of the basswood with a B so we can separate it out from our other wood, because we bring in basswood specifically from the woods for the hatchet house. Looks like they got that bottom there finished. It looks nice.
Okay.
That is gonna fall on somebody's head, I just know it. Somebody's gonna be lucky and get a whole head of ice. Jade should be here to switch off with me in about 10 minutes here, so I'll let her run the mill for a few hours. I am just now to the bass logs, so I'm pretty sure that Jade will be cutting the majority of the bass logs today. I just finished with my last hemlock, so I'm gonna start on them, and then Jade will finish up. We have 3 on the deck right now and 3 more down below. These short little walnut logs are something that somebody brought in. I have not had instruction to cut them yet, but I'm sure I'm going to be cutting them into slabs, but that's just a guess. So the hatchet house dimensions are actually kind of weird. It's a 1.5 by 9.5. Then we actually cut their boards down for them to 4 feet on the bucksaw. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.